How to turn off Microsoft Edge push notifications. Microsoft Edge notifications can keep you updated, but too many notifications can become a distraction. In this video, we'll show IT admins how to manage or disable Microsoft Edge push notifications across your network using Edge settings, group policy, and the registry editor. Before we begin, be sure to subscribe to NinjaOne's IT Video Hub and our YouTube channel for more tech content like this. Prerequisites for turning off Microsoft Edge push notifications. Before you start managing push notifications in Microsoft Edge, keep these points in mind. Make sure you're using the latest Chromium-based version of Edge. These steps won't work on the old legacy version. You'll need administrator rights to use the registry or group policy methods. Group policy is only available on Windows Pro, Enterprise, and Education editions. If you're using Windows 11 Home, stick to the registry or Edge settings options. Method 1. Enable or disable Microsoft Edge push notifications via Edge settings. This method works best for personal devices or single-user configurations. Open Microsoft Edge. Click the three dots in the top right corner and choose Settings. Go to Cookies and Site Permissions, Notifications. Adjust your settings. On means Edge will ask before showing notifications. Off means all site notifications are blocked. You can also add or remove specific sites under Allow or Block to control which websites can send alerts. Method 2. Configure push notifications for Microsoft Edge via group policy. Group policy is best for managing Microsoft Edge notifications across multiple systems in enterprise or managed environments. Before you start, install the latest Microsoft Edge ADMX templates on your computer. Then open the group policy editor by pressing Win+R, typing gpedit.msc, and pressing Enter. Navigate to Computer Configuration, Administrative Templates, Microsoft Edge, Content Settings. Open Default Notification Setting and set it to Enable from the drop-down. Choose one. Allow notifications. Lets all sites send alerts. Don't allow any site to show desktop notifications. Blocks all website push notifications. Ask every time a site wants to show notifications. Prompts users for approval each time. Click OK, then apply changes by running gp-update/force in command prompt. Method 3. Disable push notifications on Microsoft Edge using the registry editor. The registry editor is useful for when you need to apply settings via scripts, automation, or on systems without group policy access. Open the registry editor by pressing Win+R, typing regedit, and hitting Enter. Go to HKey, Local Machine, Software, Policies, Microsoft, Edge. If the Edge key isn't there, right-click Microsoft, choose New, Key, and name it Edge. In the right pane, right-click and select New DWORD 32-bit value. Then name it Default Notifications Setting. Set the value to 1 to allow all notifications, 2 to ask every time, 3 to block all notifications. Restart Edge or reboot your PC to apply the changes. Microsoft Edge push notifications keep you updated on new messages and content, but unmanaged notifications can cause distractions, clutter, and productivity issues. For more information, check out our official blog post on how to turn off Microsoft Edge push notifications linked in the description below.